In this video, you will learn how to claim a refund for your CoinPayments. Log into your CoinPayment account, go to the CoinPayment website or log in using your registered email and password. Go to Transaction History, navigate to the Transaction History section for your account dashboard to view your recent payments. Find the transaction in question, locate the transaction you want to refund by checking the date, amount and recipient details. Contact the merchant or recipient. Since CoinPayments acts as a payment processor, you will need to contact the merchant or recipient directly to request a refund. Provide the transaction details, share your transaction ID, payment amount and date to help the merchant or CoinPayments support verify your request. Wait for confirmation of refund processing. Once approved, your refund will be processed back to your wallet under the payment method used, depending on your merchant policy. Now you know how to claim a refund for your CoinPayments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.